Hi, Tug Toler with eSource Miller, talking a little Convotherm. Today we're talking about the smoking, right? So if you look down there, if you see that little element way down in the back, yes, this would go with this. This is the smoke box. We're talking about hot and cold smoking. We can do either wood chips or these pucks that you can get that you probably have seen if you're into Traeger smoking or anything like that. So the heating element goes down in there. If it was hot, we would be doing that, putting that down back there and in. Okay. If you look right here, you see the smoke. Once you hit that, we can do either a heated smoke or a cold smoke. Why would I want to do one or the other, right? Cold smoke is great for anything that you want to not cook anything with, right? So I like to do smoked salmon, or you could do smoked cheese, you could do smoked butter if you wanted. Think of the most temperature sensitive things. We can do those in there. We just fill the bottom with ice. You can put a pan of ice above, and it should be maybe 60 degrees at the very most inside the cavity. So that's really very cool. With the hot smoke, doing hot smoke would be, hey, we're doing ribs and we're going to be smoking them and cooking them anyways. We don't have to just do a cold smoke and wait for that whole thing to go and then do a hot cook right thereafter. We can just get it going right off the bat. So you can do hot, you can do cold. It's fantastic. It gives great flavor.